Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the meeting app and signing in. This gets your permissions dialog ready. Once logged in, create or join the meeting. Make sure to allow microphone and camera access when prompted. Next, check network strength and close apps with private info so you share only what you intend. If you see a permissions error, quit and reopen the app. Otherwise, proceed to sharing controls in the meeting window. Now you choose exactly what to show. Click Share Screen, then pick Entire Screen, a specific window or browser tab. Choose System Audio if you need to play sound. Once selected, make sure to start in the correct application and position windows for visibility. If you'll present slides, enable Presenter View and confirm annotations work. This prevents accidental window switching. If performance lags, lower resolution, or close background apps, to finish, click Stop Sharing and confirm any recording or saving you need. This ensures you keep a copy for attendees. If participants see a black or frozen screen, make sure your app has screen record permissions and graphics drivers are updated. Then reselect the exact window or tab. Once done, if the problem repeats, restart the app or system, or join from a second device to test. This isolates local versus remote issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.